Alright YouTube, quick tutorial on how to calibrate your drone. There we go. Let me get in Alright YouTube, quick tutorial on how to calibrate your drone. What this is going to do, it's because you have pitch and you have yaw. Alright, okay, let's do that down here. You have pitch, your forward and back, and your yaw, left and right. So if you start your drone on an uneven surface, it's going to tend to crab. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your drone. Let's see. There. You're going to turn it on. You're going to link your controller by pressing the center button, up, down. Okay. Now it's linked. But I want you to watch the lights on the drone. I'm going to go down and to the right. Alright, you see that? Now it's calibrated. This is a flat level surface. So if I was to take off on an uneven surface, it would, because I've calibrated it, it will level itself and fly true and shouldn't crab. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, a subscribe, or how they say that, smash that like button. Subscribe, share. Alright, you guys have a great day.